All right, real quick tutorial on installation. Right, so these are already used tires. I'm just going through the process of how to put it on. Right, so you're gonna put it on the outside of the wheel with the 17mm spacer, and the other wheel just like that. And then you're gonna put it on to the main drive. Sorry, you're gonna want to put the outer drive on, right, with the set screw. Put the inner drive, run the shaft through, right? So what I do is I actually back it off one full turn, and then I tighten the set screw just snug so it locates, and then I tighten up the shaft again so that there's no movement. And that's basically it. Disassembly, loosen the set screw, back the shaft out, remove the whole assembly, and when I want to do wide tires for my fronts, same setup. Back it off one full turn. Push it together, snug up the set screw, and tighten up the shaft. And there you go. Bob's your uncle.